face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.
Hello guys, welcome back to the channel again. In this video just discovered an application which pays you to receive SMS. Yes, I repeat, this application pays you to receive SMS. So actually, if you are new to this channel and you are interested in making money online and learn as well, then kindly hit on the subscribe button and don't forget to hit on the notification bell so that you don't miss any video that I come out with concerning how to make money online and learn as well. Actually, I'll keep this video short, so without wasting much time, let's move on. So the name of this application is called Money SMS. So Money SMS app make money online. Okay, so Money SMS is a free Android application which allows you to make money online automatically by receiving SMS generated by our system and customers. And I will leave the registration link or the link to the app under the description, so make sure you check under the description. Sometimes you will not see this application on the Google Play Store, so make sure you click on the link under the description so that it directs you to the real or the good application that I'm talking about. So the main features of Money SMS. Money SMS is a free Android application which allows you to make money online automatically from your phone by receiving SMS. We've already talked about this. Okay, so work on Android. Our application is exclusively Android based because only Android allows apps to read SMS. Earn money online, you just need to install our app, get paid by our money making app for receiving SMS text messages. Okay, and it's automatic. You earn money with the app passively without any active actions required from you or your side. And they also have a referral program which is good. You can refer our application to your friends and community and earn 30% from their earnings. So the moment you refer your friends to join this application, you earn 30% of whatever they are earning, and this is a lifetime. Yeah, this is a lifetime. Once they earn, you also earn from them. And our app is completely free. You do not need to pay anything to get started, and there are no hidden fees. That's good. So once you click on the link I will leave under the description, it will direct you here, so you'll be able to download the application that I'm talking about. So learn how to make money online with our app. Okay, so explore how Money SMS app works in a short 1 minute. So here are the steps. Sign up, download and install the APK, register and keep the app and internet running on your phone. The second step is receive automatic text SMS. Our system and our customers will send text SMS to your phone number from time to time. And the third step is you get paid. You will automatically get paid 0.02 euros when you receive text messages. You can withdraw your money when your balance hits 2 euros. So the moment you reach 2 euros, you'll be able to cash out, which is really easy and not anything complicated. So here are the proofs. Balance, then we move to waiting for SMS, we move to earn more money. Here is the referral code, so you can put it in there and you earn points. Okay, so how to earn money with SMS, so that's good. Here are examples or samples of the messages that they will automatically send you. So it's not something complicated, it's easy. You just receive those messages and you get paid. And they have different modes of payments like Bitcoin and Litecoin, PayPal, Skrill, web money and many more. And this is their payment proof. Money SMS sent you 2.50 euros, which is not bad, and something like that. So this application is legit and they really pay. Are we scam or legit? So you can read more the moment you come here And after you've registered, please make sure you enter the code. I'll leave the code under the description as well. So you register, you enter those code, the referral code, then you get your points. So I think we should watch this short video to see what money SMS wants to tell us, or what it is about. So stay tuned.
Earn money automatically by doing nothing? Start earning money with the Money SMS app now. Download the app from Google Play and sign up. Connect to the internet and run the app, and wait for an SMS from us. We pay 2 cents per received test of the SMS that we send on a daily basis. When your balance hits the minimum withdrawal amount, you can withdraw your money via one of the supported payment gateways, such as PayPal. Would you like to earn more? You can share your referral code with friends and receive 30% of their withdrawals. We also have bonuses for new users. Register now and get 25 cents on your balance, or sign up with a referral code and get 50 cents. Download Money SMS and start earning money now.
Okay, so these are some comments. It says keep the good value coming. Thank you for all you do. This one says it works. You see. Okay, so the legit paid me €2, which is good. Yeah, so this is good. Nice, best, awesome, beautiful app. Thank you, sir, for this app. I got €7 from your app. Thanks again. So this app is a legit application, so each and everyone watching this video should not sit there. Please take an action and let's make money together. So let's go to the application, then we sign up. Okay, so this is how the app looks like. So I will click on it. Okay, so you get paid 2 cents for each received automatic SMS sent from our system. Okay, next, run the app in background and wait for our SMS to deliver. Okay, make sure that you have a good internet connection and always remain online. Okay, so let's start. I'm in Ghana. Okay, so I'm in Ghana, and in Ghana here, some of the networks like I think MTN does not work. So unless you use a Voda number, so let's try to see if it works. Okay, so 50-311-7523, then our password. Okay, so this is the inside. Waiting for SMS. You get paid 2 cents received SMS from us. Please keep the app running and stay online to earn money automatically. So this is the inside. Actually, this is a new account. Unfortunately, I started early, so I registered with my MTN number, but it seems the MTN numbers are not available right now in Ghana here, but I don't know about the other countries. So now you'll be able to sign up with your Vodafone number, and I think Airtel and the rest of the networks. So the moment you reach €2, you'd be able to cash it out and start making money. So guys, this is what I have for you today. If you loved it, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. But if you're new to this channel and you're interested in making money online and learn as well, then kindly hit on the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss any video that I upload concerning how to make money online and learn as well. Thank you once again, and hope to see you next time in the next video. Bye.
Oga, I beg. I need that money now.
face. Tell me that you love me.